In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely and efficiently remove a saved password from Google Password Manager. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you've recently decided to update your security credentials or simply want to keep your saved passwords organized and up to date. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's open Google Chrome. Go ahead and find the Google Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you've launched Chrome, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which is actually a menu button that leads to various settings and tools. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to customizing your browsing experience. Now, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and select Settings. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page where you can adjust different aspects of how your browser operates. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll notice a pane with various categories. These categories are designed to help you find what you're looking for swiftly and efficiently. Look for the section labeled Autofill and Passwords and give that a click. Once you've clicked on Autofill and Passwords, you're going to see several settings related to how Chrome handles your saved information. Now, within this section, one of the elements you'll find is the Google Password Manager. This is the tool integrated into Chrome that helps you manage all your saved passwords securely. Click on Google Password Manager to proceed. In the Password Manager, you'll be glad to find a list of all the passwords you've chosen to save while using Google Chrome. Each entry corresponds to a specific website for which you've saved login details. To maintain good digital hygiene, it's important to regularly review and, if necessary, delete outdated or unused passwords. So take a moment to find the particular password you wish to remove. Once you identify the specific password you want to delete, look to the right side of it. You'll notice another 3-dot icon beside this entry. Clicking on these dots will present you with a few options. From these options, you'll want to choose Delete. This action will remove the saved password from Google Password Manager, ensuring it's no longer stored in your browser. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a password from Google Password Manager. By managing your saved passwords, you're taking a proactive step in safeguarding your online presence. Keeping your passwords current and organized is crucial for maintaining your digital security. Remember to regularly check and update your passwords for the best protection. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.